Have you ever felt completely overwhelmed by the clutter in your life? Today, we'll explore a minimalist checklist of 10 things you need to own. Or maybe not. Hi everyone, in today's video, we're diving into the concept of minimalism and its incredible benefits in simplifying life. By focusing on what truly matters, we can reduce stress, save money, and find more joy in our everyday lives. In today's society, materialism and excessive consumption have become the norm. We're constantly bombarded with advertisements telling us we need the latest gadgets, fashion trends, and home decor. This often leads to homes filled with items we don't use, need, or even remember buying. The result? Cluttered spaces, overwhelmed minds, and a sense of dissatisfaction. Before we continue, if you find our content helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more minimalist living tips. Let's talk about the 10 essential items that can meet most of your needs in a minimalist lifestyle. 1. Multifunctional tools. Items that serve multiple purposes help reduce clutter. Think of a Swiss Army knife or a multi-cooker that can replace several kitchen appliances. 2. Versatile clothing. A small wardrobe of high-quality, versatile pieces can cover all your clothing needs. Invest in items that mix and match well and suit multiple occasions. 3. Essential furniture. Focus on essential, multi-purpose furniture. A sofa bed or a dining table that doubles as a workspace can save space and money. 4. Reliable technology. One good laptop, tablet, or smartphone can handle most of your digital needs, from work to entertainment, reducing the need for multiple devices. 5. Favorite books or e-reader. Keep a small library of your most beloved books or switch to an e-reader for a clutter-free reading experience. 6. Reusable items. Reusable water bottles, shopping bags, and containers not only reduce waste but also cut down on clutter. 7. Comfortable bed. A good night's sleep is essential. Invest in a comfortable mattress and quality bedding for rest and rejuvenation. 8. Basic kitchen essentials. A few high-quality pots, pans, and utensils can meet all your cooking needs without overcrowding your kitchen. 9. Personal hygiene essentials. Streamline your personal care routine with essential, high-quality products. I see we are coming to the last most important item, and you haven't yet subscribed to our channel. Clearly, you're enjoying this video if you have made it this far, or maybe not. Well, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more content like this. 10. Sentimental items. Keep a small collection of truly meaningful items. These should be things that bring you joy and remind you of cherished memories. The key word being small collection. The key to embracing minimalism is a mindset shift. It's about valuing quality over quantity and experiences over possessions. By letting go of unnecessary items, you create space for what truly matters. This shift in perspective not only reduces physical clutter, but also brings mental clarity and peace. I remember when I first started my minimalist journey, I was hesitant to let go of many things. But over time, I realized that holding on to items just in case was holding me back. Once I embraced the mindset of less is more, I found a sense of freedom and contentment I hadn't felt before. To sum it up, owning these 10 essential items can pave the way for a more intentional and fulfilling life. Minimalism is not about deprivation. It's about liberation. It's about freeing ourselves from the burden of excess and finding freedom in simplicity. So, declutter your space, declutter your mind, and embrace the freedom that minimalism can bring. I'd love to hear your thoughts on minimalism and any tips you have for living a more minimalist lifestyle. Share your ideas in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on minimalist living. Remember, less is more. See you in this next video.